Hi guys, I'm Christine Castellano and we are filming from Beautiful You. This is Brittany and we're going to be filming thick winged eyeliner. Right now she's numbing and then we're going to wipe the numbing off and we will then do a design because we want to get the tips of the wings perfectly even on both sides. So we're going to be getting ready. I'm going to be gowning up, masking up, and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, right now we are etching along the edges with a 5 round liner because I want the edges to be very crisp for something of this nature. If you were doing a smoky lash enhancement or a smoky line that you didn't want sharp edges, I would go with a 5 round shader. But since this young lady wants a very defined thick winged liner, we are going with a 5. And my setup is very simple. I just have my ink and my anesthetic on the other side of the table and just putting in a little bit of color. I am using blended black from Permablend. I like the blended black because it's iron oxide and carbon mixed, so kind of safer than just straight carbon. It's good. No migration, nothing. It was great.